Here is how to fix Shift Lock if it's not working in Roblox. So this guide will show you how to fix the Shift Lock in Roblox. If pressing the Shift key does nothing, first pause the game by pressing the Escape key and then click on Settings, that is between people and captures. Make sure that the Shift Lock switch is enabled. Go ahead, turn it on. And if it's off, pressing the Shift won't do anything. So once it's enabled, unpause the game and press Shift now, and this should activate the Shift Lock option. The Shift Lock switch must be enabled for Shift Lock to work. If it's already enabled or enabling it didn't solve the problem, you can try restarting the game, close the game, and then relaunch it. And if nothing works, try reinstalling the Roblox application on your device. And after re-entering the game, ensure that the Shift Lock switch is enabled and then try pressing the Shift. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.